my dread has been pulled out. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like a space. It's not a bald spot because like the person who retwisted it knew what she was doing. So it's like a space right here. You know what I'm saying? And you're gonna see like it's a lot of people dreads that come out. Like I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but it's like a patch. It's like a patch of afro. But if you look at Lil Wayne dreads, if you look at Key dreads, you know what I'm saying? So your dreads are gonna start coming out easily. If you, what's good YouTube, it's your boy Mal, you dig what I'm saying? I'm coming back with another video. Hey man, say man, look, before the video even starts, make sure that like button for me down below, turn on post notifications, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget man, first link is my second channel. Make sure y'all go check out my second channel, bro, if you a loyal subscriber, bro. Crazy content over there coming soon, and that's probably uploaded today. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to go finish up editing the video I post today. It's currently like 1:40 in the morning, but getting straight right into this video, you dig what I'm saying? It's basically saying like I haven't had a retwist in about 2.5 months. It's about to be 3 months, but I'm already knowing I'm gonna go like a whole nother month. That's why I said 4 months in the title. But yeah, I'm about to tell y'all why I be going so long without getting a retwist. It's not really that long though. Like a lot of people say like 5 months. I say 5 months is kind of pushing it. You know what I'm saying? But I say like, if you like that, get your junk twisted 2 months. You feel me? Every 2 months. Every 2 months you can spend $100. You feel me? Like I said in my recent video, if you haven't watched that, make sure y'all go watch all my videos. Like I said in my recent video though, bro, you spend, it's 12 months in a year, right? Every 2 months, that's 6 months, right? 12 divided by 2, that's 6, right? So, and each retwist costs $100, right? That's damn near $600 a year that you're spending on retwist. Like for me, that ain't gonna cut it for me. You dig what I'm saying? So I cut that down to like 4. You know what I'm saying? You cut that down to 4, like you at 3. Right? You know what I'm saying? That's 300. You feel me? So I'd rather spend 300 than spend, you know, I'd rather spend 300 than 600 any time of day. But if you like that, if you really built like that, right, you could retwist your own hair, this and that, and the third. But as y'all see right here, bro, you know what I'm saying? That's what 2.5 months of no new growth. I mean, 2.5 months of new growth look like. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to tell y'all the pros and the cons. Y'all know how we do it. We got it all on our phone. Now the first pro is saving your money. Like I just explained to y'all, man, you go from 600 to 300 like that. For every 4 months you get your hair retwisted, that's 300. You dig what I'm saying? For every 2 months you get your hair retwisted, that's 600. So you know what I'm saying? So it's a 50% decrease. You know what I'm saying? So y'all should be, I'm really putting y'all on game, you know what I'm saying? And especially if you now it's different if you new to it. Like if it's your first 6 months of growing your dreads, like you got starter twist and this and that and the third, I would recommend you, first 6 months you should at least get your hair retwisted 2 times within the 6 month span. You dig what I'm saying? So every 3 months you should get your hair retwisted. And the reason I say starter dreads, because y'all know those little tiny dreads, so y'all gotta make sure y'all have maintenance to them, you know what I'm saying? So they can actually like twist up and this and that and the third. Hey yo, comment down below if y'all want to make a whole video about starter dreads and when to retwist and when to do all that and all that type of stuff. I know y'all be like messing with the starter dreads because a lot of people just now starting up dreads. Alright, the second pro is, man, I wear no do-rag, you know what I'm saying? And this is just for me, like, without me getting a retwist. Like, I could choose to put on a do-rag. Now, it would have, like, a little fresher look, but at the same time, I got dreads, you know what I'm saying? Like, being the nationality that I am, bro, being the color that I am, bro, being the melanated human being that I am, that's what I'm trying to say. My hair grows like this. My hair will naturally mat up. My hair will naturally dread up. You dig what I'm saying? So just having this look, there's nothing wrong with this look towards me. So my hair, like I was saying, another thing, my hair will also naturally fuzz up. You dig what I'm saying? So even if you wear the do-rag 24/7, your hair gonna fuzz up. Not 24/7. If you wear the do-rag 24/7, probably not gonna fuzz up as much. I just go without no do-rag, you know what I'm saying? That's what I'm basically saying about the pro is, cause look, it's like this, right? When I get my fresh retwist for like 2 months to a month, I say 2 months, 2 weeks to a month, bro, I'm really going to wear my do-rag consistently, back to back every night. You know what I'm saying? But once that second month hit, bro, I'm done wearing do-rag. You know what I'm saying? Cause I be getting tired of wearing do-rags. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? All right, so one con to not having my hair retwisted, this and that third. You never want to go too long. All right, so like I was just explaining, bro, 5 months is kind of pushing it. I think I did 5 months before, and like 5 months looked like an afro. Ain't gonna cap. Like 5 months looked like an afro, but I think I've done 5 months before. But what you're gonna start seeing is like, okay, like, you know how sometimes, and look, all right, so look, I'm gonna give y'all, I got into an altercation, right? I got into an altercation. I'm not gonna tell y'all when, but just know I got into an altercation before, right? And I had like 5 months of new growth, and it's so easily to pull your dreads out. You know what I'm saying? So somewhere in like the back, somewhere like, oh yeah, right here, my dread has been pulled out. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like a space. It's not a bald spot because like the person who retwisted it knew what she was doing. So it's like a space right here. You know what I'm saying? And you're gonna see like it's a lot of people dreads that come out. You know what I'm saying? So your dreads are gonna start coming out easily if you wait to get your hair retwisted for like 5 months plus. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I keep trying to tell y'all like to have maintenance to your hair and don't go too long. That's my first con. Second con is you can so-called look rough. You know what I'm saying? And like I was saying, like I didn't notice how rough I looked until like I just really don't like that look on me. Like I go back and look at my older videos, I'm like, damn, like to me I look rough. Now like I don't really give a fuck about what people think or anything like that. When I look at my older videos that I had like 5 months of new growth to, I'm like, dang, bro, like you was really going through it type junk, right? So I'm like, so for me, I say like I look rougher, you know what I'm saying, with 5 months of hair of new growth. That's too long, you know what I'm saying? 3, another con to this, like I was explaining to you before, is a lot of new growth. Now this could be a good thing. This could be a pro or it could be a con, right? Because of the simple fact, it could be a pro because whenever I get my hair retwisted, or like, let's say I get my hair retwisted within 4 months, I get my hair retwisted in 4 months, when I get it retwisted, it's gonna look like my hair grown like a lot, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, it was just growing at its pace, and I just waited so long to get it retwisted. So that could be a pro. A con, the con of having a lot of new growth is, like I said, it can easily come out. Like I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but it's like a patch. It's like a patch of afro. But if you look at Lil Wayne dreads, if you look at Key dreads, if you look at people who really don't like, I wouldn't necessarily say take care of they, I mean you can say take care of their dreads, but at this, like people with a lot of new growth, like if you have dreads, you'll know what I'm talking about. Like people have they'll have dreads, but they'll have an afro. That's all their new growth. You dig what I'm saying? And you don't want to, I feel like you don't want to do that because like your dreads are more easy. They more easy. It's easy to pull them out. You know what I'm saying? It's easy to do anything with them, and it makes it look like your hair is falling out when it's really not, when it's just weak. Your dreads are getting weak because they need to be retwisted and maintained. You know what I'm saying? So that's what Lil Key, Lil Wayne, Lil Gotti, all them type rappers, you know what I'm saying? Like, and sometimes at the beginning stage of Lil Key, like you'll see like his dreads are very uneven, this and that and the third, but yeah, like that's why I say y'all don't want like a lot of new growth. But this is the end of the video. Make sure that like button for me down below. Turn on post notifications, man. Look, I think this is our fourth upload straight in a row, like a daily upload, this and that and the third. But yeah, man, daily uploads until the end of the year, man. We still on this journey of daily uploads to the end of the year. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Comment any suggestions down below. Like, I can keep coming up with suggestions, and I know y'all be texting me on Instagram, but the best way to get your ideas and stuff like that out there, I feel like, to me, is the comment section. So what I'm gonna need y'all to do right now is go in the comment section and comment something for me to make a video on about dreads, anything like that. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Don't forget to check out my second channel, first link in the description. Entertaining videos, vlogs, challenges, pranks. Soon, bro, you know what I'm saying? We about to hit 1,000 over there, so make sure y'all go check that out. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.